Dylan, what are you doing?
I'm eating.
You're eating?
It's yummy.
It's yummy? Okay. No, don't eat it like that. Don't eat it like that. Can you make mommy some breakfast? What are you doing?
I'm making.
You're making what?
I'm cooking vegetables.
You're cooking vegetables? Oh,
Mom?
okay. Okay. I can see a car in there, Dylan. I can see a car. Take the car out. I can't eat the car.
Don't eat.
Mommy wants some yummy breakfast. Can you make some breakfast? Dylan?
Dada make this.
Dino is making the breakfast. Okay.
Squirrel make breakfast.
Squirrel is going to make the breakfast.
Eat curry.
Mommy is so hungry, Dylan. I'm hungry. Can you give me breakfast?
Sure.
What is it? What?
It ran away.
It ran away. Which ran away? What ran away? Squirrel ran away. Okay. What is this? What is this one?
Carrot.
Carrot? Do you want mommy to eat the carrot? But I want some wholesome breakfast, Dylan.
No.
Can you make me a salad? Can you make me salad? Sure?
Sure.
Okay. I want some eggplant. I want some capsicum in my salad. Wow. I want some tomatoes.
Yes.
Can you pick the tomato? You cannot reach it? Oh. Okay. Can you give me? Okay. Can you give me? What is this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay. Can I have my breakfast now?
No.
I'm already hungry. What is this?
Put it.
Put it. Okay.
And eat it.
You want to eat it? But I want it.
No.
Please, Dylan. I'm hungry. Please give me my breakfast.
Don't.
Please, Dylan. Can I take it?
No.
Please. Okay, I'll help you.
My vegetable.
Your vegetable? Okay.
Don't take it.
I'm not taking it. But you told you'll cook me some breakfast.
Okay, eat it.
You want to eat it? Oh no, that's my breakfast.
No.
Please.
Eat it.
Okay. Give me my spoon.
Uh-oh.
Give me my spoon, Dylan.
No.
Please.
I'm holding.
You're holding it. Okay. Dino is hungry. Can we make the dino eat it? Dino?
Where did talking from?
What?
Where did green pepper? Where's the green pepper?
Where's the green pepper? You lost it?
I lost it.
Okay. See, I have it some in the plate.
Here. It is here.
Oh, you found it. Okay.
On the shore.
Come here.
On the shore.
You want to?
Around it.
You found it. Okay.
Take it.
Okay. Now can I have my breakfast?
No.
Please. Give me my breakfast. Dino's waiting for his breakfast. Mummy is waiting for her breakfast. Give me some breakfast. Thank you, Dylan. Can you feed Dino? Can you feed Dino? Feed some strawberries to Dino. Feed some strawberries. Yeah. Thank you, Dylan.
Danny did strawberry.
Dino is eating strawberry. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at mommy. Like. Say like.
Yeah.
Look at mommy and say
Hi.
share
Share.
and subscribe.
Clap.
Bye. Look at mommy and say bye.
Bye.
Look at mommy and say bye.
Bye.
Bye.